Well, I heard there was a secret chord that David played when he pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. But baby, I've been here before, I've seen this room and I've walked this floor. Oh, I used to live alone before I knew you, and I've seen your flag on the marble arch. Love is not a victory march, it's cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, there was a time when you'd let me know what's really going on below. Now you never show that to me, do ya? But remember when I moved in you, Holy Grail was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. And it's not a cry that you hear at night, it's not someone who's seen the light. It's cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.